everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to unbox and see what I got from Hobonichi. I know that the Hobonichi release day was not the scenario that we all hoped for. I did order on the release day, but towards the end of the day, to be honest, I was still kind of undecided and overall chill about the release day, and because I was still like trying to process and think my choices and what do I really want to get in terms of like covers or like designs, because I'm already decided that I want to get a cousin, but which cousin do I go for? The one with the covers? Do I go for just one book? So those are the things that was going through on my mind until the release day. Overall, I think I did a pretty good job in reflecting and convincing myself and just be chill with the release. And so here we are with a very small haul, and we'll see what I got. It didn't come with a box, so it has like shipping labels in there and like some packing tapes. It's not very bad actually. It's still pretty neat. But yeah, it's not in the very pristine condition like what I got last year. But anyway, let us try. I'm gonna try to save this sticker if I can. I'm trying here, but as you can see, it is not working very well. This is the sticker and it's not very neat. But anyway, we'll have to do some. It's very exciting, of course. Every year it is actually my 5th year of using Hobonichi, so yes. All right, let's see. So this is the message in the box, and let's see what I have in here. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm excited. It's very exciting. Okay. Ta-da! Can you see now what I got? Gosh, okay. Let us remove the box. Okay, as you can see, a very small haul indeed. And I decided to get a Han for next year. I am entering a new territory here. It's my first time using a Han and first time using a cousin as well. We also have the freebie pen and the freebie here. I think from last year's video I opened it up last, but this year I wanted to see it first and see what I got in here and see what design I got. Okay, what is this? I think I got what I like this time. Yay! I'm so happy. This is actually the first design that I want. It is a pretty nice notebook. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's a little like glossy. I love it. Alright, and then the pen is this yellow and orange combination, which I like. Not my favorite, but I still like it. I know there are mixed feelings about this pen, but I do like it. Not my favorite, but I still like it. I have my like old Hobonichi pens in here. As you can see, this is the 2021, 22. It's not my favorite as well. I think at least a combination. 23 and then the 24. I think this one is my favorite. And I tried to swap the colors. Let's try. Let's like hold off the Han for now. because this is exciting. I wanted to try the brown one and see how it looks. See, I think this is pretty. I think there's a cover with a yellow and brown combination. I think this color combination will look nice with that. But anyway, what I just wanted to say here is that you can always swap. You can swap this with in between the pens if you have the other Hobonichi pens, but they are, and probably the blue and the orange. But anyway, that's that. I do use them from time to time, and with my like certain journals that I just wanted to use a ballpoint pen. Okay, so anyway, now let's go back to the main character here. So I actually got a Han, and yeah, it's my first time using a Han and a cousin. It's gonna be an adjustment for sure, because I have always been like using A6 planner. Oh my gosh, it's so exciting. I didn't get any pencil board, but I have a wish list, but I didn't get it for now because it comes with a pencil board. Ooh, it is kind of flimsy compared to, I have this notebook from King Jim Hitotoki line, and I think this is much more, I think this is thicker like than the Hobonichi. Anyway, but yeah, it's good that they have it. But oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh wow, it is prettier. It's prettier in person, I would say. I'm now excited to use it. It's big. Oh, this is the weekly vertical. It's actually my first time using, it's gonna be my first time using a vertical layout, and it's actually pretty exciting. It's new and it's exciting. I don't feel intimidated now that I'm seeing it. I don't think I mentioned it. I don't think I've mentioned it, but I got an English version, which is also a first for me. It's a lot of first for my planner next year. I finally don't need to write what date it is, because I always forget what day it is. I'm really excited to use this. There are so many beautiful covers and collaborations this year, but even before the release, I'm actually 90% decided that I would get a cousin, and I was just like hoping that there will be a cover that I will actually like for an A5 cousin. And so the reveal started, and then I saw the piece cover, which is actually my first choice, and it was not a lottery. I've been wanting the piece, but I decided not to go for it. It is expensive, and then I saw this cover, and I fell in love with this cover of how beautiful it is. And then when I saw it, I think that's it. That's a very very close contender with the piece and an avec combination. So yeah, that's why I'm here. That's why I have Han. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. Like, I'm trying to like lay them flat. This is so cute. So like every year they have a pamphlet, and to be completely honest, I am not a very big fan of this illustration. I cannot look at it for a longer period of time. I know they worked hard for it, but this is not like, I'm super used to a very cutesy design of the pamphlet, and I am actually kind of scared of these illustrations. I cannot look at it for too long. Okay, so I actually got a Hon plastic cover just because I know that I needed something to hold like my papers. That's why I ended up using the cover and cover in my olive weeks, because I needed to put my little piece of papers in there. The first order that I made, I only got the planner, and then I canceled it, placed another order with these with the Hon cover. Okay, let us try this one. I hope it fits. I'm kind of scared actually. Okay, it fits really well. Okay. Okay. Oh, it has also a ribbon thing. Okay, so here it is. I'm actually really excited for this. So pretty. I'm so happy about this. Let's also try the pencil board. Comes with a pencil board already, which is a good thing, but wow, this is insane. I don't know how to open it. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. And then put it that way. I might get like another pencil board. Oh, I thought it's a leather, but it's actually like a plastic kind of material. Okay, and then the pencil, the pen in there. Okay, but I don't think I will put it in there. So as you can see, I'm actually entering a new era. My Hon and only for next year from my A6 and weeks this year. So this is my shop planner, and this is my like personal planner. And I think it was around July or August that I kind of like evaluate my current setup and how it works for me. And just one day it came to a point that I wish that I have just one planner, and update everything in that book, in just one book. And also, since this is an event, and when I was looking for something in particular which happened to be in that one book, and then I forgot where I put it, and I kind of panicked, wait, if I don't have 2 books for a year, then I don't think I will have this problem or anxiety at all. And it kind of also added up to my decision into just having a one book. And so here we are again. I can always reevaluate and reflect if my system is working or not. I wanted to use this until the end of the year for sure, and then start with a new planner for next year. And I do enjoy using them. I love them. They are so precious to me. I love the design, the cover, and they are a big help in my life. And I think will miss my charm. I don't know how will I migrate my charms into Hon. I'll try to figure it out later. But I kind of grown to love the butterfly stopper, pen holder. Before, I was kind of it would be perfect if it doesn't have a butterfly stopper, but then it serves as a charm holder for me, and this makes me happy. And I don't know if I don't know how I will move it into the Hon, maybe not, but I do really love this cover. I didn't expect that I will love it as much as I love it now, like seeing it in person. So I am really grateful. I am really happy that, I have it. That's it for my Hobonichi haul. It is a small one, but it is a beautiful one. And I'm really grateful that I'm able to get this smoothly. So yeah, did you also order from Hobonichi? Are you using Hobonichi this year, or are you using a different planner? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for your time, and until the next one. Bye!